yung buhay. Pero sa ngayon, siguro may describe ko yung sarili ko na isang simpleng probinsyana na nakamit na ang pangarap na maging isang beauty title ng Binibining Pilipinas. Sobrang thankful ako kay God na sa pagsali ko pala ng Binibining Pilipinas, dinededicate ko na sa Kanya yung laban ko sa Binibining Pilipinas. So, ito talaga, pinagkaloob niya sa akin. Maraming salamat.
For me, aside from having people knowing your name na, I can't really do anything like before. Like I would be walking lang mag-isa kasi it's not, I can still walk pero maraming nagsasabi you shouldn't. Parang yung ganun, like I'm someone na. That's how I say it. Before I was not there's no bad thing being ordinary pero I'm someone na, and that just makes me spark and different from everyone else.
So for me, siguro, mula sa pagiging normal, I turn into someone na, parang, I mean, normal people na you can do anything. Ngayon, parang, people are looking up to you. Siguro, ayun, and siguro dati 300 lang yung followers ko sa Twitter. Ngayon, 3,000 na. Ayun, tapos, pero ayun, at the end of the day, di ba, parang, bottom line is, parang, feeling ko, binigay ito ni God sa atin or sa amin kasi alam niya na deserving kami dito, and with this, I can help more pa, lalo na sa pamilya ko. So, this is a way para ako naman this time yung makatulong sa kanila. So, I think ayun yung pinaka-importante na dahilan kung bakit binigay sa akin ni God to ngayon.
I think we just don't need to hold the title. We need to live with it. Kasi now, we're true beauty queens. So we need to do things better than yesterday. Kasi people expect from us more than yesterday, right? So I think kailangan mas magaling ka kesa nung hindi ka pa beauty queen. Kahit na nag-showbiz ako before, ngayon parang feeling ko mas maganda ako ngayon. People notice me more. Yeah, they call me Miss Tourism right now. That's Cindy Miranda. So with that title, sobrang proud ako. Kasi finally, never dream come true. So finally, parang forever na tong title ko na to. At sana yun nga, ma-inspire ko pa yung mas maraming tao. Yun, thank you.
Mga pagbabago simula nung nanalo kami, sa tingin ko, mas marami nakakilala ngayon sa amin. Pag lumalabas kami, mas marami nagpapapicture, ganon. Pero sa the way we act, ganun pa rin naman since nung candidate kami, wala namang nagbago sa mga ugali namin. Okay pa rin naman kami, we're all friends. And siguro, the pinaka-biggest change is nagdoble lang yung mga Twitter and Instagram followers namin. Marami ng mga nakaabang sa mga next tweet namin at next picture na i-upload, mga ganun lang naman. And I'm glad that people see interest in what we have to say, not just because we're beauty queens now, but also because that we represent Binibining Pilipinas. And finally we have a voice and people listen, they want to know what our thoughts are, ganyan. So it's a good position to be in. It's medyo sensitive kasi we have to be careful what you say, pero with this we can influence other people and finally make a change in our own way.